Welcome to a devlog. Well, not really a devlog, more of a design log and see how things work. And I probably also can go in a bit afterwards and actually designing and showcasing cool stuff. But this is just a walk through my 2UI project. Let's see how it went. So here's all the stuff you see that was working. You can see if I have zoomed in a tiny bit so I can start the thing. So we're on 2UI 0.0.5 beta at the moment, or 4 if you're on TikTok. This window would follow every single stage. As you can see, the changing windows I have 4 different stages where it follows different colors. So that's how I made this cool color thing. Let's press start. Okay, credits. I've animated to do swipe out to there, and then I animated this to open to full screen as like this is concept and just saying hey, info page. I haven't finished this one, but there's should be like a tutorial how to set up if you're on iPhone or Android type of thing. Yeah, obviously just like a connect thing. Notice how in the corner I have Wi-Fi now after the page. Then have the 2 different ways it goes, to gesture and non-gesture ways. You can see. Light mode is not existing on button variant, and if you press the button variant anyway, it goes back to the swipe gesture. But you can see light mode swipe gesture does exist, only in Grace UX at the moment. And if we go there, you can see light mode thing. Next, let's try dark mode Grace UX. You can see feel free to set up, and there you go. You have way more apps than the light mode. Let's go to settings v2, and you can see I have sort of animated the swipe up gesture. I will probably get someone else or me trying to figure out how to make the proper animation, but this is just to get it working. You can see the reset device. I will probably also redo it properly. You can skip setup, you can see where it goes to. But let's go back to settings and go to apps. I need to fix the buggy thing, if you notice how it does. Here's the demos I'm planning to add. The Google search that does not exist in the moment. Nowbar animation tests you're also gonna see here. Like the nowbar-ish thing you can see. And you can just leave and go back to settings. Now, wrong one. If we go to lock screens, you can see the lock screen and always on display. This is the one, that colorful variant. Gonna fix the animation, stuff like that, hopefully, and figure out what's the issue. If you swipe left to see different variants, here's the urban version. You can actually in the comments throw away the default name if you want to. In the comments I will probably use it, but at the moment it's just the default, the color one. This is just Misk ring, artist, traveler. That's an Elizabeth line background, and again you can see me using this is iOS 26. I just like the wallpaper and just thought it would be funny. I used the official font for One UI 7 icons. This is the beta. This is like my cool thing, that Opus thing. I want to get it working properly, animated. It's like a cool beta background. I'm probably gonna set it as a default for beta until it becomes not beta type of thing. Then properly release it. Let's get out of settings and let's go to lock screens. This is literally just for like developer stuff. It's just so you can get quickly to things. That's why it's a bit buggy. home theme and light or darker was just like quick shortcuts to stuff, and still is shortcuts at the moment. And yeah, but if you want to see anything else about it, I can show you kind of cool stuff about it. So we have, let's go to here, get this out. So you can see I have originally tried to remake it via just taking screenshots and that's it, but I'm realizing what a mistake I have done, and now I'm gonna redo it properly by making the shapes and everything like that, just copying and pasting the design, because One UI's design is better than any other ones in my opinion, in settings at least. The idea of 2UI is basically just taking all the OSs and mashing them into one idea. Here's the charging bars. If, for example, slow charging, it's on like a broken charger. Fast charging, just on green color. Fast 35 watt charging, you know, a bit teal. 65 watt charging, you're getting purple and cyan. Wireless charging, you're getting bluish and cyan, green, like teal. And bypass charging is basically like an emergency bypass charging. All the icons here, you can see me grabbing, for example, one of these, how it actually reacts to it because it's like liquid glass. Because I actually personally think liquid glass is like kind of cool how it looks. So I thought how funny to add it, but I also love how nobody uses this to their advantage. Why does nobody color the liquid glass? It looks so cool when it is colored. But yeah, I hope this quick log on 2UI helped to know where I am currently. This is all done quote unquote for like first version. Second I'll be refining. That's how things work, but this is like done. The rest of it I need to redo properly and stuff like that, and I have an idea for Gemini idea. If anybody wants to see, I can try to make it into a real thing. There's a lot of people in things. I will, by the end of the trip of this, show off the names. At the moment, biggest thanks to Shane, for example. He helped out with, for example, doing this. A very cool first, like, proper build type of thing. The welcome screen. It's like the hello page, you know. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Next on, whatever YouTube thinks is important. And here, you can subscribe. Or you can scroll down for more information. Like our link tree, or Discord server, or whatever we think important to you to see.